How to clean a carpet properly. Keeping your carpet clean is essential for maintaining a fresh and healthy home. Regular cleaning removes dirt, dust, allergens, and stains, helping to extend the life of your carpet. Follow these steps to clean your carpet effectively. Materials needed: 1. Vacuum cleaner. 2. Carpet shampoo or mild detergent. 3. Soft bristled brush or sponge. 4. Bucket of warm water. 5. White vinegar, optional. 6. Baking soda, optional. 7. Microfiber cloth or towel. 8. Spray bottle. 9. Steam cleaner, optional step-by-step instructions. 1. Remove loose dirt and debris. 1. Remove any furniture or obstacles from the carpeted area. 2. Use a vacuum cleaner to thoroughly remove dust, dirt, and pet hair. 3. Pay extra attention to high-traffic areas and corners. 2. Treat stains immediately. 1. Identify any stains or spills on the carpet. 2. Blot fresh spills with a clean cloth or paper towel to absorb excess liquid. 3. Avoid scrubbing, as this can spread the stain further. 4. For tough stains, mix equal parts of white vinegar and water in a spray bottle, apply it to the stain, let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes, and then blot with a clean cloth. 3. Apply carpet cleaner. 1. If using a commercial carpet shampoo, follow the instructions on the label. 2. For a homemade solution, mix a few drops of mild detergent with warm water. 3. Dip a sponge or soft brush into the solution and gently scrub the carpet. 4. Work in small sections to ensure thorough cleaning. 4. Rinse and remove residue. 1. Dampen a clean cloth with warm water and blot the cleaned area to remove soap residue. 2. Repeat as needed until no soap remains. 5. Deodorize the carpet. 1. Sprinkle baking soda evenly over the carpet and let it sit for at least 15 to 30 minutes. 2. Vacuum the carpet thoroughly to remove the baking soda and any lingering odors. 6. Dry the carpet. 1. Open windows or use a fan to help speed up drying. 2. Avoid walking on the carpet until it is completely dry. 3. If possible, lift the carpet slightly to allow air circulation underneath. 7. Deep clean with a steam cleaner, optional. 1. If your carpet requires a deep clean, use a steam cleaner with carpet-friendly detergent. 2. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for proper use. 3. Allow the carpet to dry completely after steaming. Additional tips: white tick mark. Vacuum your carpet at least twice a week to prevent dirt buildup. White tick mark. Use a doormat to reduce the amount of dirt brought inside. White tick mark. Clean stains as soon as they occur to prevent permanent marks. White tick mark. Rotate furniture occasionally to avoid uneven wear on the carpet. White tick mark. Hire professional carpet cleaners at least once a year for deep cleaning. By following these steps, you can keep your carpet looking fresh, clean, and free from dirt and stains. House with garden, sparkles.